Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, LED headlights, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power passenger seat, remote engine start, navigation system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.